How to use Google Trends a different way than most people use it. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel, I share tips that help with my own Amazon business, as well as other videos related to the economy, the stock market, making money online, all of that good stuff. So if you like this type of content, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated with all of my new content that I upload every week. But in this video, I'm actually going to go over how to use Google Trends a different way than most people use it. Usually you want to use Google Trends to see if there's demand for the products that you're going to launch on Amazon. But in this video, I'm going to show you how I use it to target people via Facebook ads or Instagram ads, and you could really pinpoint your customer. So we are going to jump into my computer right now, and I'm going to show you how I use Google Trends to find the perfect customers that would be interested in my products. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we are on Google Trends, and if you've never used it, basically it shows you how popular certain keywords or topics are. As you can see right here, Taylor Swift and Kim Kardashian are trending. So it shows you what people are typing in on Google. So it's a good way to see if your product has demand and people are actually searching for it on Google. So for this example, I'm going to say that we are going to sell a cheese board on Amazon. So I usually use Google Trends to see the interest and seasonality of a product. So I'm going to show you an example of that right now, and then we're going to get into it. So cheese board, I'm going to type that in. And here it shows the last 12 months of the interest of cheese board. That's how many people are searching for this topic. So I usually look at the 5-year chart. So I'll come down here. I'm going to click on this, and then it's going to show you the sales. So you can see like it's a pretty good seller during Christmas time, and then it drops off. So when you're doing product research, this is good to use. So you could see if there are trends like these, and then it drops off. But for this video, we're using Google Trends for a different reason. So if we want to target the right audience, there's a lot of ways to do it, but you could actually use Google Trends to narrow down your audience so you have a better chance of getting sales, and you are targeting people that like cheese boards. So to do that, all I do is I come down right here, and you want to look at the states that have the most interest for the cheese board. You don't want to target states that have no interest, because the chances are they are probably not even going to click on your ad. You want to go after those states that have 100 rating for the interest. So you can see California and Nevada are the top two. So if I'm going to run Facebook ads or Instagram ads, I want to target these cities. So we're going to even narrow it down more than the state. We're going to get into the actual cities that search the most for the keyword cheese boards. So I'm going to click on California right here, and this is going to show which areas are the most interested in cheese boards. So you could see the San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose, California, San Diego. These are all the most interested in the cheese board. They're searching it the most on Google. So we really want to target these people because they will probably buy our product if they see it. But then we could get into it even more by clicking right here, and you could click on the city, and we could actually see which cities have the highest interest. So right here you could see Berkeley. We would have never known that, but right here Berkeley has the most interest in the cheese board. So when we go to our Facebook ads, which I'm going to do right now, all you would have to do is come right down here. We're going to get rid of US, and I'm going to type in, let me go right here, Berkeley. It's going to pull it up, Berkeley, California. Now I know that this city and location has people really interested in a cheese board, and hopefully I get some sales from them. And then I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to see like Oakland. Let me click on Oakland. Has a good amount, so I'm going to type in Oakland, and then I think San Diego. Let me go back here and then go back. And so California. And then I'm going to go down here to San Diego. And it shows a really high interest score, 100. It goes by right here. So interest over time is 100. And then down here is 0. So a lot of people are searching for cheese boards. So I want to target San Diego. So I would go right here, San Diego. And then I would click right here. And now we have the locations that people are interested. And if we want to narrow it down even more, we come right down here to the interest right here. We're going to hit edit, and then you're going to type in, since it's a cheese board, they must like cheese and wine. So we're going to type in cheese and we'll click on that. And then we could also do wine. Over 390 million people are interested in wine. So now you are really pinpointing your audience, and hopefully you get more sales rather than targeting people that are probably not even interested in your product, random cities that probably don't even know what a cheese board is. Now you have that audience that is ready to buy your product, and they're actually going to click on your ad and buy that product. So I hope you found this video helpful. Now you know how to use Google Trends for your Facebook and Instagram ads. You could really pinpoint that audience to get the people that are actually interested in your product. All right, but that is it. If you are not in my FBA Facebook community, check out the link below. It's completely free. And also I have a training program you could check out below, and a ton of other helpful tutorials if you want to check those out. And also, if you haven't hit that subscribe button and like button, if you could do that right now before we go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.